Hello, and welcome to Berkeley City College. About our business department. The business department offers transfer programs and non-transfer occupational programs leading to an associate in science for transfer, EST, degree and associate in arts, AA, degree and certificates of achievement, CA and/or proficiency, CP, in several business areas. To transfer to a four-year college in business and fulfill an associate degree prior to transfer, complete a degree in business administration, international business, or general business. Certificate programs assist students in numerous ways. They provide skills needed for immediate employment. They prepare students for advancement to positions that require more in-depth knowledge of organization and business principles. They develop and upgrade skills in related business and office technology areas, or they provide entry-level job skills. Degrees and certificates within the Berkeley City College Business Program. Accounting, AA degree. Accounting Certificate of Proficiency. Business Administration 2.0, AST degree. Economics, AAT degree. General Business, AA degree. General Business, Certificate of Achievement. Management and Entrepreneurship, Certificate of Achievement. Office Skills for Business, Certificate of Achievement. And did I mention the business program LOL? Berkeley's Community College. Berkeley City College is in the heart of downtown Berkeley, located at 2050 Center Street with additional space on the first floor of 2000 Center Street. If you're a student or a parent who is interested in Berkeley City College, a good way to learn more is by taking a guided tour of our campus with a student ambassador. Tours last about 90 minutes and meet at the welcome desk on the first floor. We look forward to you joining our community. Berkeley City College West broke ground on a new building. April 2024 major expansion will double the footprint of the existing campus. The new 60,000 square foot, six-story building, which is currently being built downtown on the corner of Milvia Street and Center Street, 2118 Milvia, in Berkeley, California, within walking distance of the University of California, will have 15 new classrooms, a library, a student wellness center, as well as staff and faculty offices. The new building will also include 2 art studios, a communications classroom and lab, and an anthropology classroom. The classrooms will be equipped with advanced technology for hybrid learning so that students will be able to attend classes in person or online. This $101 million expansion is paid for by Measure G, an $800 million facilities bond for the Peralta Community College District approved by 75% of voters in 2018. We look forward to seeing you soon at the Berkeley City College Business Program.